The history of carpets. Believe it or not, carpets have been around for centuries, and they've played a starring role in some of the most important moments in human history. Who invented the carpet? Archaeologists have found that as far back as 2000 or 3000 BC, there were some types of carpets that were made for sitting on the ground. The material of these mats was sheep wool or goat hair. It's unknown exactly who invented these early versions of a carpet. The Pazyryk carpet, which is believed to be the world's earliest known existing carpet, dates back to the 5th century BC. It was discovered in a Scythian prince's tomb in Siberia in the late 1940s, although its true origin of where it was brought from and why remains unknown. Among the figures woven into the carpet are deer, rabbits, and horseback riders. The first proper carpet, as such, is believed to have been made in Persia, now Iran, sometime around the 6th century AD. This early carpet was made from wool and was used to cover the floors of wealthy homes. When did carpet become popular? Carpet didn't really become popular in Europe until the Crusades, in the 11th and 12th centuries, when knights returning from the Holy Land brought with them beautiful oriental rugs. These rugs were so prized that only nobility could afford them. In the 14th century, weavers in Flanders, now part of Belgium, began to produce carpets of their own, and these carpets quickly became popular throughout Europe. Unlike Oriental rugs, Flemish carpets were made from wool and cotton, which made them more affordable and accessible to the average person. During the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century, carpet making became even more efficient and widespread. New machine-made carpets were cheaper and easier to produce than ever before, and they quickly became a staple in homes across Europe and North America. Carpet in the United States. The carpet business in the United States began in 1791, when William Sprague opened the country's first woven carpet factory in Philadelphia. Others appeared during the early 1800s in New England. In 1839, Erastus Bigelow revolutionized the industry when he created the power loom for weaving carpets. The jacquard mechanism was first used in a power loom with Brussels weaving technology that was created in 1849, and the Clinton Company of Massachusetts produced the first Brussels carpet. The Brussels loom was slightly modified to allow for Wilton carpet production. The Shuttleworth Brothers Company was founded in Amsterdam, New York, by four brothers in 1878 with the intention of manufacturing carpets. Carnac Wilton, the company's new carpet, was unveiled in 1905 and instantly became a hit. Weavers spent 4 and 5 years on their looms, without altering the color or design. In 1845, Alexander Smith began operating a carpet manufacturing facility in West Farms, New York. In 1876, an American by the name of Halcyon Skinner invented the power loom for producing Royal Axminster. The two men collaborated to form a very successful carpet business. Transitioning away from wool. Until around 1954, cotton was the only fiber utilized in tufted carpeting. Nylon was introduced in 1947 and quickly grew to dominate the market. Polyester was first utilized in 1965, followed soon by polypropylene, olefin. The advent of bulk continuous filament nylon yarns is without a doubt the industry's most significant advancement. Cotton, on the other hand, was a more affordable and less durable alternative that required much less labor. The result was a carpeting with a superior look and feel to similar wool goods that was far more cost-effective to produce. In addition, carpet-making technology was rapidly advancing, which made it possible to produce cheaper and more accessible carpets. During the 1950s and 1960s, shag carpets became all the rage in the United States. In the late 20th century and early 21st century, carpet has continued to evolve. As a result, carpet remains one of the most popular flooring options for homes and businesses around the world. Which country is famous for carpets? Oriental rugs are most associated with Persia, now Iran, although they were made in other countries as well. Flemish carpets from the 14th to 16th centuries, for example, were also popular and highly sought after. More recently, Navajo rugs from the United States have become quite famous. How did carpet get its name? It comes from the modern French word carpet, which itself comes from the Old French word carpite, which in turn comes from the Latin word carpeta, meaning a little something thrown down on the ground to sit on. More history yet to be written. So there you have it, a brief history of carpet. Whether you've been walking on carpets for years, or are just now considering adding one to your home, we hope this video has given you a new appreciation for this humble, yet essential piece of home decor.